To send an invoice in Payoneer, start by typing Payoneer into your web browser, which will take you to the Payoneer homepage. From there, you will need to either create an account or log in to your existing one using the login or sign up options. Once logged in, you will be taken to a page with various options, including Home, Get Paid, Account Activity, Bank Accounts, and Business Network on the left side, and FAQ, Notification, and your account information with your logo on the right side. Click on Get Paid, and then select Request a Payment. To proceed, choose the client you wish to invoice from your existing contracts or add a new contract. You will then need to input all the necessary payment information about the payee. By following these steps, you can successfully send an invoice. If you find this information helpful, consider sharing it with others who may also benefit from this knowledge. Additionally, you can stay informed about similar topics by exploring related resources. Thank you for taking the time to learn about sending invoices in Payoneer.